Hey guys, this is Mitch with Fine Point CGI, and today I just want to say thank you. 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that I have 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. You know, back when this YouTube channel was created, I expected that I'd probably get 50 subscribers. You know, I thought I'd probably maybe get 100, right? And I remember writing down in my goals that by December of this year, I would want to have 200 subscribers. And, you know, we're 8 months into this year and I'm at 1,000 subscribers. And I can't believe how much our community has grown. And I just cannot believe how helpful people are in the comments and how great of a group of people that we have in this community. So I just want to say thank you for subscribing and being here and being a part of the community. And I really hope that we can build this into a good community of people that learn game development and that create some awesome games. So now I kind of want to talk about my ways of interacting with you guys, ways that I can help make the things that you guys want. And the first one is at about 100 subscribers or so, I had someone comment saying, hey, you should make a Twitter. So I went ahead and I did. I made a Twitter for me to be able to contact you guys and talk to you guys. So if you guys want to follow me, go ahead. I left a link in the description below so you guys can check me out. It's basically a ramblings of an old man just saying random stuff, saying, oh my goodness, that moment when you're shy of stuff, and hey, I got a new tutorial, and me retweeting stuff and giving people advice and just talking to people on Twitter. If you don't feel like following me, you don't have to, of course. Don't feel obligated by any means to follow me on Twitter. It's okay. So after about a few months of creating tutorials, someone said, hey, I need a place to organize all my tutorials so you guys can see what's coming up. So I went ahead and built a Trello board here. So here's all of the tutorials that'll be coming out and all the tutorials that I have ideas of. So you can see, like, these are tutorials that I just have really cool ideas and I wanted to check them out, so go ahead and check this out too, and throw, it's going to be in a link in the description below. But if you guys have any ideas, this is where all of your ideas go. So most of these things, like using Godot with Nakama, DLC with Steamworks, multiplayer networking outside of the network. As a matter of fact, these few here were literally given to me in the last week. So I definitely pay attention to what you guys say, and I do have a list. It's a big one, but it's a list, and it's an open list. You guys can come here and check them out, and I'll be more than happy to keep adding to this list, because I'm here to make content for you guys. Now, one other major change that this channel is going to have, and I'm going to try to keep up with it as much as humanly possible, is I've created a website. So I've created finepointcgi.io. Don't go to .com. .com, some guy bought it and is trying to extort, I think it was $30,000 from me for the website. And I was like, nah, I'm good. I'll just go to IO. It's fine. Yeah, so I've created a website. And you can see my tutorials some of my tutorials are actually on this website. Not all of them. You can click on About if you want to read about me. You have tutorials, and then you have all my social links up here. And then you have my tutorials, and then, join hundreds of learning game devs today. But if we go ahead and click on like this one, for instance, I actually have created a text tutorial of this tutorial. So my goal and what I'm going to be trying to do is I'm going to try to keep this up to date with all of my tutorials as they come out. Now, I've got a lot of work I have to walk through to get it up to where it needs to be, but that's the goal, is eventually I'm going to have all the tutorials out here, and that way we can actually have a big library of tutorials for you guys. So that's another major change that's coming to the channel, and you guys will see links in the description from that. So something that you'll also notice is my social links up here, so you can follow me on Twitter and YouTube and GitHub. And Twitch, which I don't ever stream really, but maybe that'll be something in the future. If you guys want to see that, you'll have to let me know. And the last one is Discord. So if you go ahead and click on that, it'll actually invite you to Discord. And you can see right here, I actually have a Discord for the community. And I thought that it would be really cool for me to be able to interact with you guys directly. So I have a general chat, a game design chat, a help desk chat, and some game dev resources. Now, right now, it's an empty Discord, so it's going to be a lot of work. But I think that we could really build a cool community and really, work together to make some pretty cool games. So I wanted a faster way to be able to talk to you guys. And through Discord, I think I'll be able to. Now, the last major thing is somebody told me that they wanted to support me, and they were like, hey, how would we go about supporting you? And I've had a couple other people echo that sentiment. And so I've decided to make a Patreon. Now, right now, there is no tiers and there's no benefits to being a Patreon, and that's something that maybe you guys can help me figure out, because I don't know anything about Patreon. But I have created one, so if you guys want to support me, you guys can. You don't have to, and don't feel obligated. And I don't need you guys to support me. If you guys don't want to, honestly, spend your money elsewhere. I mean, I'm just some guy on the internet. But if you guys want to, I do have a Patreon open now. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about was kind of the future of the channel. And I'm going to start doing more content that's game industry news, and maybe some Unity or Unreal if you guys want me to. I'm not necessarily married to the idea of branching out or not. It's really up to you guys. I'm here to make content for you guys. So, I know I've had a few people ask me about doing Krita tutorials. So this is a height map. This is for another tutorial. By the way, funny story. This is for another tutorial. But I know some people have asked me about Krita and about using Krita and about how I do Krita stuff. So that might be a tutorial idea that might happen. But I want to know from you guys if you guys want me to expand into different content. Do you guys want me to talk about different applications in the industry? These are questions that I'm just curious what you guys think. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to say thank you. I get to look at all the subscribers that I have, and it's just crazy. I've got just all these people. I really appreciate all the things that you guys have done, and I've seen a few of you comment all the time. As a matter of fact, one of my top comments is the Nomad here. You can see he's actually got a little heart next to him because I see his contents all the time. He talks to me all the time. But, I really want to thank you guys. You guys are what drives me to do this. And, without you guys, I wouldn't be where I am today. And I just want to say thank you again so much for watching, guys. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks.